Unbelievable. See, another model engine for $1 a piece. We are looking at Emily. Emily is for $1. Brand new at Walmart store near my location. See right here, Sandusky, Ohio. This Emily is for $1. So I want to try to see if I can get as many as I can. There are only 7 units left. So this brand new Emily in a package. If I'm lucky, I'll get him. If not, anyway, somebody might get a chance before me and buy them for $1. This is another way how I get the model engines really cheap at a good price. It's not surprising for me because I used to buy a lot of model engines for $1, sometimes for $2.50, but at this moment the model engine Emily from Trackmaster is at $1 and 7 units left. So there you have it. Okay, thanks for watching.